of the very first appearance that Jean and her daughter-in-law Karen, married to Tim, Jean's son. Tim still owns the company. Hi, Tim. He called me earlier today to wish me a great, National Quacker Day.
Yes.
And
happy National Quacker Day, everybody.
So we celebrate this every year on
it.
February 4th. So thank you for joining us.
It is our pleasure. And of course, we're also celebrating Angel's 15th anniversary as she continues the mission of Jean Weiss and her positivity in the world.
Yes.
All right, my friend.
Thank you.
New today, more new. We told you there was lots of new, and we're going into our second hour. When else are you on today?
Tonight, 10 to midnight on QVC 2. I was on 2 to 3 a.m.
Okay.
This show, and then 10 to midnight to really cap off the day. Okay. Is that great? It's so great. No, I'm so blessed. I'm teasing, of course.
She's teasing.
I'm teasing, of course.
You know what? It's okay. That's gonna be a hard thing to nap on,
yes,
but you could do it.
I could do it.
All right. And it is National Quacker Day, so we can't get enough Quacker
No.
today. So this is new. This is called Fantasia. It is a printed V-neck 3/4 sleeve top. Only order of the year on these. 3 easy pays at $16.66. Again, if you have your QVC credit card, and I'm sure I have mine somewhere. Yes, here it is. 5 easy pays. So 5 easy pays would be about $10 on this. Of course, it might be a couple dollars more. Give me that, because there might be tax and shipping and handling. There definitely is. All right, blue multi.
Yep.
I love that.
I know. I'm like, where's my lay?
Lime multi.
And when are we going to Hawaii?
All right. Oh,
2027.
Look at how pretty this color is. This is coral multi. Oh my, we are in the tropics.
I mean,
you could be
seriously.
in Costa Rica.
I can hear the birds.
Yeah, yeah. Smell the fragrance. This fabric is different.
It is a little different.
Okay.
Now, we've done it in the past.
Okay.
But we definitely, we know that you love our 60/40 cotton polyester, but we also know that a lot of you like lighter weight, flowier fabrics. So this is a rayon spandex blend, 3/4 length sleeves, nice V-neck on this. The print, we could have stopped there with the print, but we didn't. We come in a little closer. We added some beautiful rhinestones just around the neckline. You can see ever so slightly there. Really fun. And what I love about this, Pat, is when, Monifa and I are sisters of the traveling, styles,
the traveling pants.
right? The traveling pants, but I was trying to think of something QVC related, and it just slipped right out of my mind, right? But we always talk about travel because we're both so passionate about it. And so one of the things I love about bringing my Quacker clothes on vacation with me is I hate to bring jewelry, because it's like one more thing to pack, one more thing to worry about.
And you have to worry in this day and age, let's face it, if you have your favorite jewelry.
So with this, we already put the jewelry on there for you.
Yeah,
you don't have to worry about it.
That's a great way to think about it.
It rolls into nothing, and then like pretty much wrinkle free.
Yeah.
Once you get it out of the package and wash it or steam it or whatever, it should wear really well for you. I love this fabric because it's forgiving, it's easy, it feels like nothing on the body.
You know what it's perfect for? That day when it is so dang hot outside and you're like, I don't even feel like leaving the house. And I know a lot of you live where it's really, really hot. Look how beautiful this looks.
Beautiful.
I also think you could dress this up a lot.
100%.
Don't you think?
You absolutely, I love that with the sand.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
ding,
nice.
ding. I like it with the pink though.
Oh,
as well.
Yes, very pretty.
With the color bottom. So if you got one of the colors, the pink, maybe you got the sage longer pants earlier, here's your opportunity. I have tried to, I do try to learn, I would tell you I try to learn something every day, but sometimes it's bad things that I learn.
Have you seen those memes on social media where they take 2 words and combine them, and it's hilarious. Yeah.
Oh, really?
A lot of them are naughty, so I can't say anything, but it is
well, you have to tell me the
hilarious.
website
Yes,
later.
I will.
But one of the things that I learned having the opportunity to go to the Graver Studios in New York was to really see how these prints, how the more colors, the more expensive.
Yes.
So when you're out there in a lot of stores, you'll see, and there's nothing wrong with 2-color prints, like black and white, yeah, that's good. That's a whole look.
Yeah.
But a lot of times they'll stop at 3 or 4 colors. Look how many colors are in this.
Well, even in our embroidery, like, you know, John,
So true.
John can go to 9. Like, that's the limit.
Oh, okay.
And then the factory's
9.
like, that's
Wow.
it. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So when you see all
at
this
this.
embroidery, it takes a lot of thought and design, but that is true. And how does our team take the same print, but make it look completely different?
Great call out.
Because of the different colorations. Really, really lovely, soft. If you've never tried this fabric,
Soft and slinky. It
just
feels cool in the hand.
Yes.
Oh, if you're having a personal summer, this will be a blessing.
Thank you. Sorry, I was just like pulling up my sleeve and this and that. But I'll tell you, you were saying some days when it gets so hot, you don't want to go out of the house.
Yeah.
Almost always,
perfect.
9 out of 10 of those days, I have to come here. And I'm saying that because I'm saying that because I'm like, I don't want to get dressed.
Right.
I don't want to steam or iron
Right.
something. So I love having these types of tops in my closet because I just throw it on with a skirt and I come. You know, it's not so terrible when it's 100 degrees and 100% humidity. When you're wearing something like this that feels cool to the touch and just eases over your body. That's my point. I'm not averse to coming here. I love coming here.
I know you do.
You know,
We
I've done
love
it for
having
over
you
30
here.
years, so I better love
I know.
coming.
15 years as the guest for
guest,
Quacker,
yeah.
but 30 years here. All right, so I'm holding the fabulous coral. Not that I'm trying to sway you into that one. 750 remain in that. All right, blue. There's the blue, 650 for you. Blue eyes, perfect.
Yes, please. And
And
thank you.
Angel, you have the lime, 700. It just, who's going on vacation? Like, use your Q card. That would be 5 easy pays at $10. And get it now. Put it away. You can wash it. You know what? Throw a jean jacket over it. Throw a
Yes.
cardigan over it. All right.
Love it.
Not a
Love
jean
it.
jacket, but how about the